Advanced bird work builds upon your dog's hunting experiences in previous Foundation Command training. You'll learn how to proceed step by step to achieve reliable bird work and steadiness. Whether your goal is to have a dog that holds point until the bird flushes, or one that is completely steady to wing and shot, a clear path is outlined to reach your goal. Lessons related to steadiness training include relocating on moving birds, stopping to the flush of unpointed birds, and honoring the point of another dog in the field. You will also learn how to manage the transition from off-season training to the hunting environment. Wild birds often bring about challenging dog work. How a dog is handled through this phase of training is a critical step towards building a truly outstanding dog.
Birds. Whoa. Whoa.